voice is a wave on a distant shore. I close my eyes and you're here by my side, but I open them, emptiness inside. You're laughing, but it's not real. Just echoes and quiet appeal.
Trace the cracks on the floor tonight. Neon shadows dance in the broken light. A heart beats loud, but it's out of sync. Lost in the rhythm, I can't quite dream. Yeah, it's heavy, it pulls me in. Pull me in that twisted maze. Reflections twist in a fevered haze. The crowd is a sea, but I'm still alone. Chasing whispers I'll never own. Yeah, it's heavy, it pulls me in. Pull me in that twisted maze. Glow, glow, shadow glow. Falling deeper. closer, a whisper in the wind. The map is blank before me. Where do I begin? No fear of what's uncertain. The unknown feels like home. With every step I'm finding a place I've never known. Let's go where no one has ever been. A world unseen beneath our skin. Through endless skies, we'll break the chain. Uncharted lands will claim them all. Rise like tides and let it fall. Just endless sea. Come drift with me. Come drift with me. Through endless skies, we'll break the chain. Uncharted lands will claim them all. Rise like tides and let it fall. Just endless seas. Come drift with me. Come drift with me. Oh, come drift with me. Oh, and come drift with me. Oh, and come